guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Cikgu Dayangku Siti, and also you can like my video, and also you can comment at my video, and don't forget to click the bell, okay, to make sure you get notification from my YouTube channel. Bye. Hi, Assalamualaikum and welcome to English class. Okay, today I will teach you about English writing formula using adjective. Okay, what is adjective? As we know, adjective in linguistics, an adjective is a word that modifies a noun or noun phrase and describe its reference. Adjectives are one of the main parts of speech of English language. In dictionary, adjective is a word naming an attribute of noun such as sweet, red, or technical. Okay, now we go to examples of adjective. Okay, this is example of adjective. Okay, this one is stripe, happy, big, juicy, and also beautiful. Okay, now we go to writing formula svotable. Okay, the first thing that we must know is about subject. There are name, the person or peoples, the animals, the things, the place, pronouns such as he, she, it, they, we, and also I. Okay, next, verb. Okay, verb is singular. There are two, present tense or past tense. For present tense, okay, it is or am, and for past tense, it is was. Okay, next, another verb, but we use plural. For present tense, there are, and for past tense, there are, were. Okay, this is the last one. We will use object that we call adjective that we have learned today. Okay, next is example 1. They are using svotable. Okay, we use word pretty for the adjective. Okay, first step, we have to choose the subject, or we choose here name. Okay, name that we choose is Amira. Next, step 2, we choose verb. Okay, present tense, there are is or are. Okay, because Amira is only one or singular, so we choose present tense is. So step 3, we will write the adjective. Okay, the adjective here is pretty or in Malay cantik. Okay, next. These tables, after we write a step 1, 2, and 3, we will put all the things in this table. This table we call svotable. They are subject, verb, and object. Okay, for the subject just now we write Amira, so we put in here Amira. And then verb is because there are one Amira. And then object pretty. Okay, for adjective that we choose just now. So the sentence will be Amira is pretty. Okay, now we go to the next example. Example 2. we use clever as the adjective. Okay, first step also the same. We have to choose the subject. So here we use they. Then we choose verb, whether present tense is or are. Because there is more than one or plural, so we choose present tense are. So next we write adjective. Adjective that we choose just now is clever. So we put it here, clever. Next, we look at the table. So we put in subject, they, verb, are, object, clever. So the full sentence is, they are clever. Okay, next. Third examples, we use clean as adjective. Okay, also the same. Make sure we follow the step. First step, we choose subject, the town. Okay, next, we choose verb, present tense. Because the town is referred to one town only or singular, so we choose present is. Okay, step 3, we write adjective as examples up there, clean. Okay, next, this table we put in all the things from the step 1, step 2 and step 3. There are the town is clean. So the sentence will be the town is clean. Okay, that's the end of our class. So I hope you can revise the adjective. What is adjective? And how many adjectives that you have learned? Okay, from year 1 to year 5 or year 1 to year 6. Okay, if you are year 6, make sure you have a lot of adjectives that you know, because you will use this as your writing in your exam. Okay, that's all from me. We will continue in another class. So bye bye, see you next time.